In today's video, I'm going to teach you why are my emails not marked as read in Outlook. If you open or preview messages in Outlook and they stubbornly stay bold and unread, it usually comes down to how Outlook handles the reading pane and when it marks items as read. I'll walk you through the settings in both the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, and then the classic desktop app, plus a quick reset tip if you've switched versions recently. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by opening Outlook. Go to View, then Settings, then Mail, and choose Message Handling. Here you'll see options for Mark as Read. Decide how you want Outlook to behave. If you want emails to be marked as read just by selecting them in the message list, turn on the option to mark items as read when selected. If you prefer to let the reading pane do the work, choose to mark items as read after a short delay. A brief delay helps prevent messages from being marked read the instant you click them, which is useful if you're quickly scanning your inbox and don't want to lose track of messages you haven't truly read yet. Pick a delay that fits your pace and confirm your changes. If you're on Classic Outlook, open Outlook and go to File, then Options, then Mail. Under Outlook panes, click Reading pane. In this window, enable Mark items as read when viewed in the reading pane. Set a small delay, such as 1 second, so Outlook waits just a moment before marking a message as read. This prevents accidental reads when you're arrowing through emails. Once that's set, close the dialog to save your changes. From now on, when you pause on a message in the reading pane, it will automatically switch to read after your chosen delay. If you recently switched from Classic to the new Outlook, there can occasionally be a hiccup where the old behavior sticks around. In the new app, use the toggle to switch back to Classic Outlook, then come back to the new Outlook again. Also, try toggling the Mark as Read setting off and on, and then restart Outlook. This quick reset clears temporary glitches and forces the app to respect the updated preference. After making these changes, previewing a message or selecting it should mark it as read exactly when you want it to. Thanks for watching.